Hello, my viewers. We are me and Max for evening walk. So let's go. Very hot, very hot day today. So, come on, come on, come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're going home soon. Come on, I know hot. Come on. Good boy, Max. So Max didn't want to walk today because it's so hot. Now a little bit better, but still. Maxie, Maxie, short walk, not too long. Let's go, Come on, come on. Treat? You want treat? Here, come on, come, puppy. Yeah, you want treat? I know. Okay, let's go treat. Very hot today. Tomorrow gonna be rain, I think. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Max all day stay inside because husky is very hot. They feel hot, they have 2-3 layers fur. So he's sitting in the AC. Now I bring him now almost 8 o'clock, but still so hot for him. We just go for not too long walk, short walk. He didn't come out today even for his business, the backyard. He come to the back door, look, and he didn't want to go. So that's why he's my good boy. I'm walking in my neighborhood. Just it's a beautiful neighborhood. Living long time, very nice neighborhood. All people is mixed communities, all my area. Yeah. It's Max. Max! Hey Max, come on. Guys, how are you guys doing? Not much people out because it's very hot today. Just some people come out for a walk their dogs right now. This is all houses. Beautiful Toronto. But now is traffic all the time. Too much traffic in Toronto. Where you guys watching? Let me know which country. Hope you guys like my video. So just we come for a just short walk today with my Max boy. Look, he's walking very slow. He's not happy in this weather. When it's cool weather, he's jumping all over. He's he want to go home. When I ask him, let's go, Max, he don't want to respond. He not happy to come outside.
Love to hear it. I know no one.
Let's go, Maxie. Let's go. Max, you want to say hi to everybody?
Alright, appreciate it. got I'll give it a read then. Shot you an email. I just wanted to say I noticed a couple really recently.
The bird is noise, beautiful noise. I like it. Birds. Nature is beautiful. Look all the nature. India, we say in the evening when the birds are making noise like this, we say back home. Everybody going home. And they all go together home, you know. If you see the sky sometime in the evening back home, here I see sometime too. They all go in the line, you know. They fly in the together. Right, Max? Maxie! Hey, Max boy! Look at the beautiful flowers. Wow, very pretty. Come, come, puppy, come. Alright, my viewers, just I say hi to you when I'm walking. I'm very busy in the daytime with Max, no time. So thank you for your support. Keep giving me support. Love you guys. Everybody have a good day. See you in the next video. Say Max, say bye. Say bye. Love you all. Okay, bye. Thank you.